Hello everyone. In this course, you will learn about Elementor, WordPress, how can you install WordPress, how can you install Xampp, how can you make your website like this using Elementor and Elementor Pro. This website is using Elementor Pro. If you don't have Elementor Pro, you need to purchase Elementor Pro. For that, I will make this website using Elementor. So this is the website which was done by me. You will learn about how can you create this beautiful website using Elementor, and also you will learn a responsiveness of your website. How can you create a responsive website for your web? Okay, and also you learn about how can you create a multiple functionality in your contact us page. Like if I go in our contact us page, you can see that there is a step form of our page. Okay, so this is the page that we build using Elementor, and also you learn about basic issue like this. This is the curriculum of your course, like installing your XAMPP and WordPress, setting up your WordPress website with Elementor, understanding Elementor feature and its tools, creating your custom page, creating a header and footer, creating dynamic blue page like this. If you go in our home page and see that we build a dynamic blog page for our website. Okay, and also we create a custom form, we build a responsive website, basic SEO, how can we create a SEO friendly website, and also I'll give you some assignment for your work so that you can create a more functionality website. Okay, so this is all in this course you will learn about. So if you like this course, please purchase this course and give us rating. That will help you to motivate us to create a new course on Udemy. Thank you. Thank you very much.